Today we're venturing into the heart of your car. So roll up those sleeves, gather your toolkit and join me, Mr. MJW Official, in this garage expedition where we not only learn the art of car maintenance but also forge a bond with our four-wheelers. First stop, regular checking your engine is vital to prevent any unwanted surprises on the road. Start with the engine oil. It's the lifeblood of your vehicle, so make sure it's at the right level. If it's low, top it up with manufacturer recommended oil. Next, inspect the coolant level. A well-cooled engine ensures it doesn't overheat and increases the longevity of your engine. Moving on, check the air filter, which ensures each breath of air the engine takes is clean for a smooth and efficient combustion. Replacing a warm filter is literally like giving your car a new lung. Now, let's talk about keeping you connected to the road, your tyres and your brakes. We first ensure your tyres are correctly inflated, promising a journey that's not just fuel efficient but also supremely safe. Now let's pay our respects to the brake pads. Remember, brakes stand ready to protect and serve as our first line of defence in an emergency. Give them the attention they deserve. Replace them without a second's thought if there is any sign of wear. As we near the end of our maintenance regime, let's turn our attention towards comfort and safety. The interior and lights. Start by cleaning the interior. A clutter-free car is definitely a more enjoyable drive. And to guide us through the dark nights, let's ensure all headlights, brake lights and indicators are shining bright and true. Together, they are a safeguard in our path and a signal of our intentions clearly to fellow road users. Nothing worse than when you don't see another driver's indicators, eh? And, just like that, fellow home mechanics, we've forged a bond with our metal companions. Remember, regular maintenance on our vehicles not only extends the life of the car, but also helps to ensure yours and others' safety on the road. I invite you to share your tips or queries on your own DIY maintenance below in the comments. If this garage expedition fueled your passion for DIY car maintenance, show your appreciations with a thumb up and join many other car enthusiasts by smashing that subscribe button and ringing the notification bell so you never miss another update from us. Thanks for tuning in. Until we meet again, keep those engines purring and those wheels dancing. Stay safe, stay empowered. See ya.